With strawberry season right now, it's great time to enjoy this classic strawberry banana smoothie. Strawberry banana smoothie is an easy, wholesome recipe. It's creamy, sweet, and healthy. This smoothie includes fresh strawberries, banana, yogurt, milk, honey, and ice cream. Detailed ingredients are given in the description below. Fill a blender with 1 cup strawberries, 1 ripe banana roughly chopped, 1 cup milk boiled and cooled, half cup yogurt. You could use either Greek yogurt or regular yogurt in this recipe. I've used regular yogurt. 2 tablespoons honey, one scoop of vanilla ice cream. To make this smoothie healthy, you could skip ice cream and add extra honey and blend until nice and creamy. To enjoy this drink cold, you could try this with frozen fruits instead of adding ice. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave your comments, and make sure to subscribe for more great recipes.